A few years ago, after a house fire, I found myself standing in what was left of my home, sweeping ash and soot into small piles on the floor. It was quiet work, careful work, the kind you do when you're trying to spare whatever's left. Around that same period, I'd just finished my university degree, and I'd done really well. For me, that mattered deeply. Earlier in life, I hadn't been able to finish high school, so returning to university later wasn't about ambition. It was about capability. I went with hope, not for recognition, but because I believed it would improve my life. Instead, that achievement quietly faded into the background because my life was too unstable to hold it. That achievement had nowhere to land. And without realizing it, I became my own best kept secret. After that, I did what many capable professionals do. I adjusted. I focused on being practical, on being reliable, on contributing rather than standing out. On the outside, it looked like I was doing things right, but on the inside, one question kept circling. What's wrong with me? Until one day, that question stopped working, and a different one took its place. What's true about me? That shift changed everything. I didn't become louder. I didn't change who I was. I simply stopped disappearing. Here's what I know now from my own journey and from working with values-led leaders and business owners. Many highly capable people are under-recognized, not because they lack talent or confidence, but because somewhere along the way, they learned that shrinking was safer than being seen. If any part of this resonates with you, I want you to know this. You don't have to become louder. You don't have to become someone you're not. You just have to stop disappearing from yourself and from your own life. If this message speaks to you, I'd love to hear what it stirred. You're not alone in this, and you're not wrong. Quiet achievers deserve to be seen too. Thank you for listening. I'm Lara Arden, the Business Awards Coach.